Welcome to our Ultimate Explainer Showdown. We're looking at 3 fitness wearables built for 3 totally different 2026 lifestyles.
Meet the contenders. One's for deep recovery, another coaches runners, and the third, it'll literally survive the apocalypse. First up, the Whoop 5.0. It completely ditches the screen. It's basically a tiny health scientist on your wrist.
It runs continuously in the background, turning your raw 24/7 health data into super actionable daily recovery advice.
Get this, it even tracks your pace of aging to really help you optimize that long-term longevity. The pros? It's super lightweight, packs a 14-day battery, and you can actually charge it wirelessly while wearing it.
But here's the catch. You absolutely need a paid monthly membership just to access your own biological data.
Next is the Garmin Forerunner 55. Think of this guy as your intensely disciplined, strict outdoor running coach.
It has Pace Pro. That's a crucial strategy tool that literally stops you from burning out halfway through a race.
With elite GPS accuracy and daily suggested workouts, it's an absolute must-have for you serious outdoor runners out there. It delivers unshakable reliability. You get a featherlight build and incredibly beginner-friendly software that honestly just works.
The trade-off? You're sacrificing those flashy AMOLED screens for a basic display that's focused purely on the data.
Now, for the extreme explorers, the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra 2. Guys, this thing is basically an indestructible tank. It boasts insane military-grade specs. We're talking a titanium body, sapphire glass, diving certifications, and a built-in flashlight.
But the most shocking stat? 30 days of battery life. Yes, even with that incredibly bright display running.
It's packed with serious survival tools. Preloaded maps, checkpoint displays, and automatic rerouting so you practically never get lost.
The one drawback? It's incredibly bulky. This rugged beast is definitely going to feel pretty massive on smaller wrists.
So the final verdict. Grab Whoop for recovery, Garmin for disciplined running, and Amazfit for rugged off-grid adventures.
3 totally distinct tools for 3 entirely different lifestyles. So tell us, which one matches your everyday routine?